How to enable noise cancellation on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable noise cancellation on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below first and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find accessibility. Tap on accessibility, and after you're on accessibility, scroll down. Now, after you scroll down for a bit, you'll see the hearing section. Under hearing, you will see audio and visual. Tap on audio and visual, and after you're on audio and visual setting, scroll down till you find phone noise cancellation. Now, as it says right here, noise cancellation reduces ambient noise, and yeah, that is basically it. Now you need to turn it on and you're good to go. So that is how you turn on noise cancellation on your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.